Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pokemon Go and you will answer. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pokemon and you will click. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.